And today we're going to be changing the shocks on a 2018 Chrysler.
All right, you're done. Shocks, difficulty level? Out of
10. That's the finished product, guys.
What's something that you wish you knew prior to this?
In order for the bottom piece to line up, we have to have the jack.
We make the streams louder.
Hey YouTube, it's your boy Magnificent. Today we're going to be changing the shocks on a 2018 Chrysler. If you have any of these symptoms occur to you, a little creaking when you're backing up, and when it's of course bouncing, it just bounces very hard. It's supposed to just go up, right? Bounce. Anyway, if you're having any of those things happen to you, this is the video for you. I'm gonna get it done. Probably gonna take me about 45 minutes to an hour, and I'm gonna list on the next screen all the tools you need. Let's go. And one quick thing before I do that is to let you know you can get it multiple places, but I found that often than not, eBay is one of the best places to get prices that are actually affordable. Amazon, maybe for tech, maybe sometimes, but I got it from this spot on eBay. I'll put the link in the description and I'll put the price, and you compare that to what you can get at AutoZone and all those other places. It's night and day. All right, here are the new pieces. Make sure that they look like the old ones. All right, perfect. Let's go. All right, y'all, so what we're gonna do is simply take off this whole shroud, expose the two bolts that go here, and go ahead and take off this 21, and from that it should be able to come out no problem. We'll replace it and eases that. These are 10 millimeters is what I believe, and this one is in 21, and I think these two are 18s. You'll see on the next screen exactly what the size sockets are. All right, taking off all the 10s. They're kind of sticky if you have never taken them out before, so you may have trouble getting them out. That's what I noticed. All right, so now I took most of it off. I just didn't take these 8 mils. I'm just trying to do it without it, so I'm just gonna pull. You gotta kind of be somewhat rough, I guess. You don't want to rip it all. Oh, underneath. I forgot that part, so gotta get that. All right, something I found out, these were all 8s. I thought this one here was an 8, but it's not, it's a 7. So just heads up, 7. Why is this one not coming? Oh, there it is, that's why. Guess I could have done that without taking it off, huh? You live and you learn. All right, this one, this one up here, dusty. All right, gotta make sure it's really in. Otherwise you'll strip it. All right, I'm gonna suggest you put some lithium grease on this thing because things are so stuck. That's some dust city, y'all. So I think these are 18s. So guys, if you have power tools, be glad, because this is gonna suck. It would have taken 2 seconds, but it is what it is. All right, just to make sure I don't have any issues, go ahead and take out this 21 now. I'm gonna put a 21 behind it on here. You're gonna hold this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Do you love power tools? I do. A lot of tension. So there we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna get a screwdriver, pop this bad boy off. Done. Make sure these still the same, outside. See it? One thing about it, see how it doesn't go up? That's called not good. Compare that to this. It's hard for it to even go down. Check, look, you press down and it goes back up, right? Got that? Compared to the damaged one, you press down, shit stays down. 1, 2, 3, knockout. Yeah, that's why it's damaged. That's why you hear it, and it's hard on everything else. So what I'm gonna do, outside goes on the outside, yo. I'm just gonna stick these two, make sure this wedge goes under there. What I'm gonna do is put this on the top one first. Now, you know what, I'm kind of tempted. I'm gonna usually put a little lock. You know what, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put a little Loctite on there just to make sure it doesn't come off. So bear with me. They use green. I'm gonna put the blue one just to make sure that it doesn't come out. All right, so this is just the blue Loctite. Again, it's red, blue, they're probably green. I think some is better than none. That's all I got, so I'm rolling with it. Let's get it started. This is hanging down, so we have to get this piece to go up a little bit so that we can put the bolt through. And so we're just gonna jack it up a little bit and see what happens. There we go. See how it's going, now it's matching? Getting closer. Look at that hole. You'll see it. See how it's getting close now? See how that? See this? It's matching up. Get as close as I can. See this? All right. I just put the torque wrench on it, and I'm just going through. I'm gonna go to the other side and tighten it. Okay, I'm gonna put the 21 on the opposite side. Hold that while I use the 21 on this side to tighten the bad boy. Now, lower it. She's good. Changed. So that's what you were doing. You're good to go, guys. Torque this. I'll put the torque specs in the description, but that's how you change the rear. Put this bad boy back and you're done. That took about, if you do it right with all the tools, 30 minutes, realistically. Magnificent, out. All right, so this is DIY for beginners. Let's see what she got. Taking out the 10 mils. Keep going, it's long. Good. All right, so we're gonna use the 18 whenever she's ready. There we go, well done, that was fast. Keep going, all the way. All right, so you're getting as tight as you can by hand. All right, so 75 foot torque pounds for the bottom, done. And then 18s, so 45 foot torque pounds on the top. Go and close it up. All right, you're done, shocks, takeaways. The difficulty level?
5.
Out of
10.
Is it something that anyone can do?
Yeah.
Perfect. What's something that you wish you knew prior to this?
The only thing that's really coming to mind is knowing that for the shocks, in order for the bottom piece to line up, we have to have the jack. Otherwise, those shocks are just too strong to pull on your own by hand. You have to line it up.
I think, and it all depends on where you put the jack. We put the jack over there. I think had we put the jack over there, it may have been lined up automatically. So,
Probably.
good.
Jack placement.
Awesome. And that's the finished product, guys. New rotors, new brakes, and while we're at it, new shocks. Magnificent out.